This demonstration will help you get started using DeltaTrack's FlashLink certified vaccine data logger and review some key features used in day-to-day operations. When you receive the box, check to make sure you have the FlashLink data logger with glycol bottle, the 2-year ISO 17025 calibration certificate, manufacturer certificate of compliance, the quick start guide, a CD with Flash PDF software, software license, and the warranty card. For your convenience, the FlashLink certified vaccine USB PDF data logger has been pre-configured with logging intervals and alarm limits for monitoring vaccines under VFC guidelines. The software CD is provided in case you want to make changes to the configuration. Before putting the logger into service, place the glycol bottle in the middle of the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. This allows the glycol solution to acclimate to the temperature inside the refrigerator and simulate the condition of the vaccine bottles. The logger should be attached to the outside of the refrigerator. When you're ready to start the logger, press and hold the green power button firmly for about 5 seconds until the current temperature reading appears on the LCD. The logger is now actively recording temperature at regular intervals. At any time while the logger is recording, you can review summary statistics of the stored data by pressing the green power button. Each button press will give you a new statistic. First, it shows maximum temperature, then minimum temperature, followed by the average temperature. Then it will show you high alarm setting and how much time was spent in high alarm conditions, followed by extreme high alarm setting and how much time in extreme high alarm. Then it shows low alarm setting and how much time it spent in low alarm conditions, and finally extreme low alarm limit and time spent in extreme low alarm conditions. When you're ready to download the data captured by the logger and save a report, firmly press and hold down the red stop button until the word stop appears flashing on the LCD. Release the button when it stops flashing. Detach the logger from the glycol bottle sensor cable, making sure to leave the bottle inside the refrigerator. Once you've saved the files, to reset the logger, firmly press and hold down the green power button and the stop button at the same time until you see a plus sign flashing on the LCD. Release the buttons only after the plus sign stops flashing. The LCD will update, and in a few seconds, a moon icon will appear on the screen. This indicates the unit is in waiting mode and ready to start again. Plug the logger back into the cable with the glycol bottle sensor, which should still be inside of the refrigerator. Press and hold the green power button for about 5 seconds until the current temperature reading appears on the LCD. The logger is now active and recording temperature again. The FlashLink logger has 2 levels of alarm limits. There are high and low limits, and there are also extreme high and extreme low alarm limits. If the temperature goes outside of these limits, it triggers a bell icon on the LCD with a flashing red light and an audible buzzer. To silence the alarm when you have taken corrective action, press the red button once and release it quickly. If you hold it down too long, the logger will stop. As long as the temperature returns to within the pre-configured alarm limits, the buzzer will remain silent, but if the temperature is still out of range, the alarm will be triggered again. The number 1 on the LCD indicates whether a high or a low temperature excursion occurred. The number 2 on the LCD indicates an extreme high or an extreme low temperature excursion. The up arrow means that it was a high or an extreme high alarm, and the down arrow means it was a low or an extreme low alarm. If both arrows are on the LCD, this means that the logger recorded high and low temperature excursions. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call technical support at 1-800-390-0804 or email techsupport@deltatrack.com.